Alright, so we're at the Integra today. I'm gonna be trying to fix the wiring harness for this for my fuel pump. I'm recording on a new camera too. This is my Sony a6000, so I'm hoping you guys you know, get to have a better view on things, but you can see how corroded this is. Super corroded. Yeah, just wearing out. There's water underneath here, so I'm sure that's like the result of that. But I'm gonna just probably put y'all on time lapse and just wire this shit up and try to match the colors with the colors. They should all be the same on the corresponding side, hopefully. But I'm gonna clarify that before I take it apart. But here we go. These are some of the tools I got that I'm working with. So I got a solder, some butt connectors, wire strippers, some extra wire, some cutters, and some heat shrink, and some metal to melt for the soldering tool. I'll go ahead and snip this up and start splicing stuff and connecting it. So I got my like not so good wiring job done. So I'm gonna solder these wires. I got them all the colors corresponding. It should all match up. I'm not sure the significance of the plug with it. It should work the same without it, and them just being hardwired in rather than into just rotting plastic full of corrosion and such. And hopefully like my car stopped doing that weird not wanting to cut on after gas and just like after I drive it. So I'm gonna try and solder this and then seal them all up.
One hour later.
Don't know what I'm doing. Fail. It didn't work. Don't know what I'm doing with this soldering tool. That's why it sits in the box, because I don't know how to use it. We're not using it. We're just gonna electric tape it. Fuck it. That's how we're running it. I don't care. I don't care. Let's do it. So we're about to straight up electric tape this on there. Because I can't get the soldering gun to work proper, or I don't know how to use it properly. Let's say that. I'm no electrician, but this should keep it somewhat okay for now. Wires are not exposed. That's all that really matters. Do not do what I'm doing. There's better ways to do this, but there are worse ways to do this as well. We're not going with the worst route today. We're going with the this is all we got route today. going with we want to drive the Integra again route today, and that's really what matters. Because I don't like not being able to drive my Integra. She's such a nice car. The AC works, cruise control works. I like it. It's a cool car. It's stylish. It's quick. Sporty. I can go on forever. So got 2 wires done. Oof. But now that these are all tied together, I'm hoping we don't have any more issues with the vehicle not cutting on, which I am leading to believe it was fuel issues, simply because this plug was greatly damaged with corrosion and breakages in the lines. If that's not a clear sign something's going on, I don't know what else could be wrong here. Everything seems to be functioning as so, besides this system. I did discover water down here, which is clear evidence for the reasoning of the corrosion to be there. Because it's like, why else would you be there if you didn't have a partner in crime, which is water in this case. Water was the culprit and the reasoning for my car not wanting to properly function. We got 4 of them wires done. At least I didn't do the butt connectors. Like, you know, that could have been the worst way to go. I just went good old connection. Time around, give them a snug, they stay together. And that connection is there. I just know if I have any other issues, where to start looking. I'm hoping I can get this knocked out before it starts raining. It's about to start raining outside. I can at least take this bad with me and test it and see what it wants to do over the course of the next few days, and if it gives me any of those previous issues, then I know it could be coming from something else. We'll just dig deeper. But we're gonna leave this seat out in the meantime until we confirm that this was our issue at hand, causing the car not to cut on. Got 1 more wire left. Probably put some gas in there, make a couple stops, see what she wants to do, because that's usually the first thing. It's like, after I drive her and I stop somewhere, she don't want to cut on. But if it's raining real hard, I'm probably just going to drive straight home And if she don't cut on again outside when I'm at the house, I know it's got to be something else. Just so I'm not stuck nowhere while it's raining, pouring down. Alright, so these are all, they are all, let's see, a bike on the loose. Oh, I can smell that rain coming. I don't know if y'all can hear that wind, but oh yeah. If you from Florida, you know when it's about to come down. And it's definitely about to come down. Just don't come down quite yet. Pump fake for me. I just need you to pump fake for me. So I'm gonna leave him like that. We should be good. Like, those are my connections right there. And like, shit, that should be it. We're gonna drive her and see what she wanna do. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up, cause it is, you know, you see them trees gone. It's about the storm out here. But yeah. We're gonna drive it, see what's going on, see if this fixes our issue. Alright, so we in the car. I hear the fuel pump. We got fire in the hole. Wires holding up as well. Is still idling weird. Like, that's way too high for us to be warm already. I'm not sure exactly what that might be, but I guess it's not fuel related. But if I stop cutting off or not cutting on randomly, then that's better. Then that's one issue resolved, and we just gotta figure out why she's idling like this. So I've made it back to my next destination, and I've been cutting it on and off, and it's just been cutting back on. So I cut it off, fire it back up, starts up fine, and as you can see, it idles out where it should be, which is strange. I'm not sure. That maintenance required light, I probably should reset it. And then that check engine light is for the O2 sensor. One of them isn't connected, but I don't know. Shit kind of confusing, but I think we'll be able to figure this out. So long as it's not cutting off when it feels like it, or not cutting on when it feels like it, I think that's perfectly fine. It seems to be doing okay right now. Not sure what I could do to fix that, but as you can see, I don't know where that came from, but I started driving. It was probably water from in the trunk, found its way there. Plug is connected right there, which the water is right there. That's why these wires got fucked. Yeah, that's where we're at right now. I think it might be fixed. But we'll see.